in a community of nations, we have always that rule of good neighbor policy. Kaya naman sana, if that is really the spirit of the community, they call it the League of Nations, kaya United Nations, the spirit that prevails should be yung good neighbor policy. You do not do something which is really harmful or it would result into discomfort with your neighbors. Alam mo, itong Canada, they ship about 10 trucks na ngayon waiting. And I would make it public that I commiserate with Kit Kuwangko na is raising hell. Bakit yung basura originally 3 tapos naging 10? Gayong sabi ko, itong mga taga-customs pati itong environment people who allowed it. Sinabi ko nga sa ombudsman, I called the ombudsman, you can dismiss them summarily. Kung ako yan, hindi naman lahat, hindi kaya. Ipapakain ko talaga sa kanila. Ay, maniwala ka. So, tawagan, hindi ko naman hiyain. I do not humiliate people in public. Tatawagan kita doon sa kwarto, papakain ko yung basura mo. You eat the... Bakit naman gano'n ang ginagawa tayong dumping? An isolated case about 3 years ago, a container from Japan. I mean, bibirahan ko sila. I'm looking for the venue and the opportunity really to bubulsitin. Napakagago naman itong Pilipino. Yan ang dapat i-DDS. Pag malaman ko yan, ipadala ko yung DDS, putang. Ang death squad talaga na dapat. God damn. Bakit magawa yung basura ang bayan ko? Of course, Kapas is too far away to be worrying, really. But the fact is, when you do that, every time, it is a derogation of our national dignity.